stand in the middle of the cables. You want your hip, knee, ankle all lined up. Shoulders back and down, chest up, knees are slightly bent, abs are tight. Go ahead and bring your shoulders upward in a backward motion and squeeze. Good. Go down about 1 inch and up as high as you can. Now this exercise is pretty much working the neck almost. It's the traps, which is connected into your neck. So you want to look straight. You don't want to look around. The minute you look around, bam, you're going to pull your neck and you're going to be very unhappy. And you want your elbows slightly bent. Wrists are straight. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Notice how she's shrugging backward, okay? This is going to hold your posture up, have you walking around nice and straight.